Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. Please subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video you'll be the first to see it. So I made a video yesterday about the ambient temperature sensor of 2012 Toyota Camry. So right here, the issue is there is no display of the ambient temperature, no display of the outside temperature on the dashboard. And then we did a scan. I did a scan yesterday and retrieved this code B1412, ambient temperature sensor circuit. So I established the fact that the sensor was not installed, which was because of a previous accident the vehicle had, and the sensor fell off before the repairs was done, and then it wasn't noticed. So the owner complained about this. Now let's see if we can erase this code. Let's just see what happens. Erase. Now it says ignition on, engine off. So what I have to do is turn off the engine, and put it at on position. So you can see the engine is not running. So say yes. GTCs and freeze frame data will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. So erase done. Now let's check and see if, which I am sure the code is still there because the sensor has not been installed. You can see the trouble code is still there. So I got this. This is the ambient temperature sensor. This is what it looks like. This is the part number 077500 5191. So I got this off the black market, and we are going to install this, and hopefully that resolves this issue. So come on, let's go. I'll show you. So remember, turn off ignition and remove the key. When dealing with electrical circuits, you have to be careful. So let's go. Now we established the fact that this is the connector. So we established the fact that the sensor was not installed due to a previous accident. So this is the connector and this is the sensor. Let's install it. Can you hold this? Yeah, just hold this. Okay. So let's do this. Okay. So ensure it's firmly fixed. So let's put the clip right here. So right there. So that's it right there. So now let's go back and check if that resolves the issue. Yeah, so turn on the ignition. We still have the code right here. So let's see. Voila, look at this. We have a reading. We have a reading now. 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's go on and try to erase this code. Let's try erase this code. Erase codes. Yes. Ignition on, engine off. You can see the engine is not running. The engine is off and ignition is on. So erase. Yes. Erase done. Now let's check if we still have the code there. Go back, read codes. You see? No fault codes detected. So friends, this is how you solve issues like this. Easy, straightforward. In some cases, there might be an issue with the wiring, with the circuit, and you have to check. Maybe you have to do a continuity test to see if maybe there's an open circuit in the line. So problem has been solved, and there you go. There you go. There you go. So no fault code. Okay, so I hope this video was valuable and informative. Don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.